Portland, Oregon, Chinese vegetable gardens, circa 1901. On the west side of Portland, at the present site of the Multnomah Athletic Club and Lincoln High School, a small farming village sat along the banks of the Tanner Creek from the 1870s through the early 1900s. Today it is covered by many feet of infill, but by 1900 dozens of small buildings clustered on the hill overlooking the creek, where you could see crops growing in lush fields on the steep hillsides, and clothes hung out to dry.
Mm-hmm.